Do you know what that is? That is our appliances arriving. It's a little windy for this, isn't it? You know what that is? Fridge! Hey? Now we have to attempt to get the fridge into the house without completely damaging it. It fit?
It'll fit. You know she means business when she puts that hat on.
Don't drop my new fridge now. See, you're excited too. You can come a little more. Stop.
Lead the charge. Found a new home for Aaron in this box.
Tell Daddy to squeal.
Static, dude. That hurt.
I told you guys he was excited.
What's going on here, man? That's it. It's in there.
Look at that.
This is the nicest refrigerator we've ever owned, right?
A sight for sore eyes. After 2 years of a RV-sized refrigerator,
Yeah.
we have a real refrigerator. And look, we're never going to have to worry about the kids leaving the fridge open again.
Nope. Let you know.
So the refrigerator is in. It's the first appliance that we installed because it's obviously the largest and taking up the most space with all the other boxes and just everything that we have going on in here.
Yeah, it was the easiest one to install. We actually went with a 36-inch wide one, so it's pretty typical with these. We actually went with a shallower version, more shallow version, versus a 36-inch deep. Because we actually wanted to stick it out of the cabinets just a little bit, not too far out. It's kind of an eyesore in my opinion.
Yeah,
right?
It fits much better. It's more like built in than some of the other ones that you can get. It also has, like, the water is on the inside and the ice is in the very bottom. So it's good. Everybody is really excited to have that. That is one of the appliances I am most excited about.
The next one we're installing, she's really excited about.
The dishwasher.
Yes.
I've been the dishwasher for far too long, so I can't wait to get that one in and make my life much easier. It's a big day for us.
Let's hurry up and get it in then.
First things first, Josh needs to finish up the electric for the dishwasher.
Give me a saw, Batman. Hand me my screw in, please. Nice.
We're installing appliances. They're having a WWE wrestling match.
Yeah, get wild. Should we make tonight's family pizza night? Honey.
Yeah?
No, not you. Honey, the sponsor of today's video.
Oh, Honey, the free browser extension that finds promo codes for us and automatically applies them to our card. Thanks to Honey, searching for coupon codes is a thing of the past. Best of all, honey is super easy to get. All you do is click here and click here. When you check out, the honey button drops down and all you have to do is click apply coupons. Wait a few seconds as Honey scans its database of all the working coupons and watch the price drop. Just like that, Honey saved us $5.46 on family pizza night. Honey has found its over 17 million members, over $2 billion in savings. So if you haven't joined Honey yet, you could be missing out on huge savings. It's literally free and only takes a few seconds to install. So get Honey for free now at joinhoney.com/WWOG. That's joinhoney.com/WWOG. So thanks Honey for sponsoring today's video and helping to support the time and effort creators like us put into creating free content for our viewers to enjoy.
Now let's get back to the build. We got that all piped in, the valves are on. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn the main valve on and make sure there's no leaks, put the straps up, then we're gonna install your dishwasher. You excited?
Can't wait.
Me either. Should be filling up. Yeah, we're good. No leaks. Put the straps on, bring the water line out, bring the drain through here, tie it all in, good to go. These are sent to our P.O. box from John from New York. Thank you. They're working out great. Here's my electric right here. Here's our wire. Got our hot, neutral, grounds, 120 volts. We'll bring our cord to the back side of here, put a connector in here. We'll splice it up, we'll close it up. It's actually gonna be a plug that comes off the back side that goes into a receptacle behind the dishwasher. So it won't be hardwired in. You're gonna have a receptacle behind this dishwasher. We're not taping this because it's actually rubber gaskets on the inside of here, in there. So we'll just crank her down. All right.
What is that?
You're my wife, aren't you?
An NM connector?
There you go. You know that. You know how it is. What's that called again?
An NM connector.
What's that mean? NM.
It means none.
No, it's
non-metal.
Close. Metallic.
Yeah,
connector.
exactly. Non-metallic connector.
NM.
Josh.
All right, do me a favor. Open the cabinet up, hit that valve.
Okay.
Make sure you hit the red pipe, top one with the silver flexible pipe coming outside.
What happens if I hit the blue one?
you're gonna get in the face. I mean, who else are you gonna say?
The top silver one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is tight quarters.
Hey.
Which way? I'm scared. That's it? Just sideways a little bit? How's it look, boss?
I don't have any leaks.
Does that mean I have a dishwasher?
Yeah. You have a job to do too.
What, show you how to load it?
Happy?
Has all the things I love.
I know.
Josh finished up the dishwasher install and tied everything into the breaker. All of our appliances are Energy Star, so they suit our solar power system well. Our old refrigerator was not Energy Star, so although we installed a bigger refrigerator, it is much more efficient and draws less power. The kitchen is not done yet, so we picked up some pizza and enjoyed this summer evening searching for the mini deer who rest their heads at night around our property.
Hop in, Ellie.
Laying in the grass.
You having fun, Hayden?
Ellie, you gonna spotlight some deer, girl? Ellie, hold it up over top of the dash line. Remember, you go hold it up high. There you go.
These little guys. Don't forget the little guys.
Jasmine, good eye. There it goes.
All right, Leon, it's bedtime, buddy. Push, push, push. Got it? Oh, it's closed.
It's close.
All right. Oh!
It's on normal.
How do we work this thing? Just hit
no
start?
idea. Just
Oh,
start
wait,
one.
we didn't even put soap in it.
It's been a long time, guys, you know?
It's been a really long time.
I don't think Ellie's ever even seen one of these before, has she?
No, she is not. Do you know what this is, Ellie? What is it?
Oven.
It's not an oven. What is it?
Dishwasher, honey.
Dishwasher.
What's it gonna do?
Wash dishes.
What's this?
You cheated. Okay, soap first. There you go. Good. Now close the door. Close, 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 close.
Push.
Right here, right here.
Okay.
Sit.
Washing.
We were all washing dishes outside by
Yes,
hand.
yes.
And now we wash them in here.
We or me? Because I feel like you should correct that statement.
We're a team now, right?
Yes,
We're building the house together.
yes. And we do excellent electric work.
Yes, we
don't
do.
Refrigerator is in, dishwasher is in, so next up we're gonna get the microwave installed, and then I think we're gonna move on to the range. Is it a range, Josh? It's a range top is what
Range
it's called,
top.
which I'm so excited about getting in because I think it's gonna look really neat once it's in.
Can you put your tiny little hand there and plug it in, please?
Yes.
Hey, Mommy, can I sign and open it? Hey, can I sign and open it?
I like it.
Can
Nice.
I sign and open it?
Yes,
Wanna try
ready.
it?
Yeah, which one?
Hit the open button right there. Yep.
The range top and oven are the next to be installed. Both require some adjustments to make them work, but as with everything else, you have to go with the flow and solve problems as they arise. It seems like we are running into a lot of unexpected situations lately, but that's only because it is all coming together and we are truly about to reach the finish line.